Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to visit a website from Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps and go to any place that you want to see the website of it. For example, I will choose this restaurant. Sorry, I need to click again. Just click on the name of it. And as you can see now, it gives me the detail of the restaurant and including the website of the restaurant. So to visit the website, you have just to click on it. Maybe it's working or not working, I don't know really. So this website is not working, for example, for this restaurant, but in many other businesses, you will find their working websites. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like this video. If you have any question, put it in the comments and see you in the next video.